Just like all of you, I love to do things myself. Talking about doing things myself, how do I keep my floors clean? Roomba! Who am I to stop the ultimate uprising of robots? Sorry, Sarah Connor. So, the problem I'm dealing with is my Roomba cannot get under the couch. And some spots, it can actually get under the couch and then it cannot come up. Yeah, I have uneven floors. All of us do. If you think your floors are very super even flat, sorry, I got news for you now. So I want Roomba to get into the couch to pick up peanuts, popcorns, M&M's. As always, I search the one place for all my solutions, the bookstore. You know, the bookstore has all the knowledge, and you can find the problems to all my solutions. So I search for things that I can use to raise the couch, and it had few options. And you know which bookstore I'm talking about, right? It's the bookstore that sells everything. I think it's called Amazon. Yeah, that one. Most of them, they were after tax about $25, and they didn't work. I ordered one of them, and it couldn't handle the triangle legs that my couch has. Thanks, Rimmer and Flanagan. So after processing the Amazon return, I decided, I'm gonna do it myself. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is flip up the couch. Thing you need to do is get the legs out. It's simple, self-explanatory. Okay. Next thing you'll do is get a feel for where the wood is. It's here. You can feel it. And there's this here. As drill one hole. Set at one place. Now that wood is set at one place, you can put another screw in, get a feel for the wood. It's going in this direction. Same drill. So I'm just gonna pre-drill a hole there. And you don't have to worry about all the mess you're creating here because Roomba will clean it. Those two holes are there. Just line up the screws like that. There. Put the screws back in. If you want, you can put some polish on this part of the wood so it can match up with the leather and give you a nice finished look. I'm not gonna do that right now, but let's see if Roomba can get in now. Next step is straighten up the couch. I use this floor stoppers, helps couch from sliding everywhere, you know, heavy people like when you sit on it. Now let's see if Roomba can clean it up. Success. Just trying to go back in there. There you go.